for a multiple of 12 plus 1. So that means you're going to chain 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 until you reach your desired width. Then you're going to, let me see, oh, you're going to go to this very first chain right here and do a single crochet. Sorry, that's my dog, she's walking around the office. Okay, so after that, you're going to chain 5. You're going to skip 3 chains. There's 1, 2, 3. And the 4th chain, I'm going to do a single crochet, chain 5, skip 3 chains, do a single crochet, and that's it. You're just going to do the same thing. Chain 5, skip 3 chains, and then do your single crochet. So that's going to be your foundation row. This is a 2-row repeat pattern, so it's pretty easy. Chain 5, skip skip 3, and then the 4th. Hopefully, let me see if this worked out. Skip 5. Yeah, okay. So then again, at the end, you're just going to do your chain 5. You should have 4 chains left. So you're going to skip your 3, and then in the last one, you're going to do a single crochet. Okay, so row 2, and chain up 5. Then you're going to single crochet in this very first chain 5 space. And you're going to go to this next chain 5 space right here and just do 7 double crochets. Hard to hold when it's just this. It's this small. And then you're going to go into this next chain 5 space and you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to chain 5. And in this next one, sorry, I think I was out of frame. In this next one, you're going to do a single crochet. And you're going to jump to this next chain 5 space. And you're going to do your, oh goodness, your 7 double crochets. Okay, so once you finished with your 7 double crochets, in the last one, you're going to do a single crochet right here in this last space. You're going to chain up 2, and then you're going to do a treble, and more or less try to find where that single crochet is. I say as long as it's in line. Oh, let me see. I can't find it. I think it's this one right here. Yeah. You're going to finish your treble like this. So there, so that's gonna be your chain, sorry. So if you hear some background noise, those are my doggies. One doggy likes to snore when he's sleeping, makes these strange noises. Anyway, so that's row number 2. So row number 3, you're going to chain 1, and then go back in and do a single crochet right there in the first single crochet, that single crochet, right in the first space right here. Then you're going to chain 5. Then you're going to jump into the second double crochet right here, and you're going to do a single crochet. Chain 5. Jump 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right here, do another single crochet. Chain 5. And this next space right here, you're going to do a single crochet, chain 5, and then again, jump to the second double crochet right here, chain 5, and then again 1, 2, 3, then the 4th double crochet right here, a single crochet, and then you're going to chain 5. You're going to single crochet, find somewhere, it's supposed to be in the 3rd chain, but what I always say is try to make it to where it lines up like this. So if you single crochet over here, it's going to look a little wonky like that. So just try to make it to where it's straight on the side. Okay, so that was row number 3. So you're going to repeat row number 2 and 3. So 2, you're going to chain up 5, then a single crochet right in the 1st space. Then you're going to jump to the next space and do your 7 double crochets. So these double, they should be on top of each other. If they're not, that's like shown here. If they're not, then that means something went wrong. And either something went wrong on the row below. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. Then jump to the next space, a single crochet, chain 5, go to the next space right here, single crochet, and then in the next space, you know that if it's on top of this double crochets and below, then it's double crochet. It's a set of the double crochets. Because when I first started with the pattern, I did something wrong on the row below, and it did not line up. So I'm not sure. I got confused with the chains and single crochets over here. Then you're going to single crochet in the last space. You're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do a treble, and then do it on top of the single crochet below. That one's supposed to be easy because it's already there. And that's it. So the next row is going to be your number 3 row. So you're just going to chain, single crochet in this very first space. Then you're going to chain 5. You're going to skip 1, and the second one you're going to do a single crochet. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and then right here, you do single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next space, chain 5, again, and second double crochet, single crochet there, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in that one. And you're going to chain 5, and you're going to somewhere, like I said, just make it to where it's straight. And you're in a single crochet. What would be the top of the third? So just make it, again, just make it to where this is straight. So don't do it too low or too over here, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. And that's it. That is your 2-row repeat. It's really easy. I learned it pretty quick after I figured it out. I don't know why. It's not that difficult. So that's it. That's going to be the pattern. So this is what it looked, well, that's what it looks like in a solid pattern. This is in the variegated, is that what you, anyway, so that's the pattern, really easy. So that's it. So please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.